and just from everything that I've seen online and on Instagram, they look top notch. Everything is handmade, and I can already tell right out right out of the gate here, this is really cool looking. Okay. Oh wow, this has got some weight to it. Woo! I mean, that is not going anywhere. Get the... That'll do. Okay. I mean, what's there not to love about this? Okay, so this is 6-sided. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 knives. And I probably could fit 12, but I have this really big chopper from Town Cutler on here. This is awesome. Most people that don't have an obsession with knives and collect them are going to be able to fit all of their knives on here, even the ones that they only use every once in a while. And what's awesome about this is that if it gets dusty, you can wipe this thing down. You don't have to worry about the inside of a knife block like that getting dusty. So the idea of them all exposed on wood seems very easy to clean. It's easy to pull them on and off. The only thing I can say is don't use a blade that's too long, like beyond 10 inches, because you can see that this is just touching the bottom, so you don't want to spin this and then damage the tip of your blade. And if I push this all the way down, it's just touching. So your 10-inch blade would be the maximum, and even then it would really depend on how the handle meets the blade, the bolster right there. So just keep that in mind. But otherwise, this is awesome. I'm very excited to have this.